Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your profile photo from unknown numbers on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will open up additional menu options that give you access to various Viber features and settings you might not use every day. Once you tap on More, you'll see a new screen with several options displayed. Look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can control all the important aspects of your Viber account, from your profile information to how you want to manage your privacy and security. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several different categories. Navigate to the Privacy option and tap on it. This section is specifically designed to help you control who can see your information and how your account interacts with other users on the platform. It's an essential area if you want to maintain control over your personal data and visibility. Now, within the privacy settings, you'll see various options related to your account visibility. Look for the option labeled Show Your Photo. This particular setting controls whether unknown numbers or people who aren't in your contact list can view your profile photo when they interact with you on Viber. To hide your profile photo from unknown numbers, simply tap on Show Your Photo to uncheck it. Once you do this, anyone who doesn't have your number saved in their contacts won't be able to see your profile picture anymore. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and ensure that only people you know can view your photo. And that's it. Your profile photo is now hidden from unknown numbers on Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.